Out here this Saturday, got the car outside the garage. We're gonna go ahead and lift it up, take the wheels off, and I'm gonna start pressure washing it, cleaning it real good, and I'm gonna be wiping that sweet patina sauce on that, y'all, so stay tuned. Gotta go run the dollar store right quick, get a magic eraser for that headliner. We're gonna take the L. Yeah, these special friends. Dollar General experiences. They ain't had the Mr. Clean ones. They only had the dollar store brand ones. But I think they're going to work good. Got Brilla pad on them. All right, y'all. We got all the wheels off. Gonna start by probably just hitting it with a little degrease and stuff. Just letting that stuff soak in while I hook the pressure washer up. All right, we got the pressure washer hooked up. Test ran it. Everything's working good. Now we about to spray it down. Hit it with that degreaser first. Don't mind my catch can. I'm gonna go ahead and keep soaking it down with this, y'all. I'm gonna holler when I'm hitting that vinyl top. Oh yeah, dude. It'll make for much better workings. All cleaned up, huh? Y'all, as I'm spraying this fender, I could hear it deteriorating. And D menacingly laughing in the background. I'm not really worried about too much of this. Alright, I'm gonna come hit the vinyl top with this all-purpose cleaner, yeah. I didn't want to put too much nut crazy on it. We're gonna spray this on and let it sit for a little while. And I'm gonna use that magic eraser on it. Might have to do 2 rounds, yeah. Stuff's deep. I'm gonna keep rubbing, y'all. Y'all keep rubbing, I'm gonna keep rubbing. Gearing squad. Taking a break while the water dries. D thought he heard something fall out of his El Camino last night on this turn right here, so we just looking for it. All right, y'all. Gave it a hand wash, a hand job. We went right to the store, let it dry. I think now it's time to apply our Sweet Patina. All right, y'all, got this in the garage, in the place, even with the rack. I just brought the dually around because it got that 12 bolt in the back of it. I think while I got the pressure wash out, I ought to clean this rear end though. Let me go ahead and give that a quick cleaning, y'all. All right, y'all, got that thing unloaded by myself. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash it. Cleaned up pretty good. Now I want to come take these brakes off. Clean under that. This brake drum right here is fighting me a little bit, y'all. Got the arm on. Yeah, it's nasty. I made a good call on removing them, yeah. Got it off with a little hammer swinging, yeah. Let's go ahead and wash that off. All right, y'all. Sucker look brand new. Thing almost ready for paint and install. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be rebuilding this with 342 gears and a posi. I'm undecided if I'm gonna do axles because these are already 30 spun and that's plenty strong enough, you know. Let me go ahead and get this inside. It's starting to drizzle. All right, y'all. Sorry about this sunburn, but I had to go sit out there in that parade for 5 hours. Look at this. But anyway, we got the rear end tucked away in the engine billing room. Cars in the garage. Let me go ahead and give y'all a little taste in the garage. Stand by. Car looking spiffy. The Sweet Patina. Then dried, no residue. Oh, dude, this thing looks awesome, huh? Vinyl top, smooth as silk. Thing look good, huh? I fixed all the little mess ups with some of that like headliner adhesive. Gives it that patina vinyl top look, you know. It ain't perfect just like the rest of the car, but it will be fast. That LQ9 going in there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Duhe Speed Shop out. Next video, we're going to be pulling this interior out of there, and we're going to be cleaning off them seats real nice with a steam cleaner. Stay tuned.